I'm curious about your INSEAD experience. You've gone a long way since graduating from this place.
It's been a
And
couple of years, yeah.
I wonder if you could outline a little bit how INSEAD kind of has inspired this journey. What did you take away from INSEAD that was helpful on your journey as an entrepreneur?
You know, when I came to INSEAD, even though I'd been working for almost 10 years, it was a very narrow set of experience that I had. I'd been at one company, worked in a relatively limited set of technologies, and hadn't really had to think about, how companies really worked, how organizational structures were put together. What what a ledger was, how you did accounting, anything. Forget how marketing really worked, how I should think about building a brand, all of that stuff. And INSEAD was in that sense revelatory to how I thought about the world. It was hard to point to what it did directly for me because as soon as I left INSEAD and went back to the United States, the world changed and the World Wide Web appeared, and I jumped into entrepreneurship. But by the way, that was inspired to a large extent by an entrepreneurship class I took with Dan Musica in 1992. But it really, I think it broke me out of my shell, I guess the way I'll put it.